In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link in Salesforce email template. 5 minutes. We'll walk through the exact clicks to place a compliant, easy-to-find unsubscribe link in your Salesforce email template. This is essential for subscriber trust and for complying with regulations that require a clear opt-out option in marketing emails. First, sign in to your Salesforce account. Once you're on the home screen, open the app launcher, the grid or waffle icon in the top left, and search for email templates. Select email templates to open the workspace where your templates live. From here, locate the specific email template you want to update. You can use the search bar or browse by folder, depending on how your organization organizes templates. Make sure you have permission to edit the template you've chosen. Open the template and click the edit pencil icon. This puts the template into editable mode so you can modify the content. Decide where you want the unsubscribe option to appear. The standard user-friendly place is the footer of the email, typically at the bottom, where readers expect to find account and preference links. Keep the wording clear and straightforward, such as unsubscribe or manage your email preferences. Paste your unsubscribe link into that section. If you're using a text link, highlight the text and apply the hyperlink so it becomes clickable. If your branding calls for a button, you can still link it to the same unsubscribe URL. Make sure the link is correct and live. If your organization provides a centralized preference center, consider linking to that page so recipients can adjust preferences rather than fully opting out. Also ensure contrast and font size are readable on both desktop and mobile. If your template uses personalization, you can pair the link with friendly context, like you're receiving this because you requested updates, but keep the unsubscribe text easy to spot. Avoid burying it in long paragraphs or making it too small. When you're done, click Save. That's it for the core setup. After saving, it's a good practice to preview the template and verify the link opens the right page. You can also send a test to yourself to confirm formatting looks clean in your email client. A visible, functional unsubscribe link reduces spam complaints and protects deliverability. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you've added a clear unsubscribe option to your Salesforce email template in just a few minutes.